Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of the Minion Crew. My name is Eden. Welcome you once again to the first episode of breakdance tutorial class. So today we'll be talking about 5 simple Michael Jackson dance steps. You know, many people think Michael Jackson is not from this world in terms of his movement and how he danced. Yes, I agree with that. It's the best we've ever seen. On this show, we'll be talking about his best dance, titled Thriller. Now, we are going to learn 5 basic steps in Thriller. Watch. Welcome back once again to the official channel of the Minion Crew. Now, we're going to start with the first step. Firstly, you're going to stand straight while you move your leg 4 times. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, while your legs are moving, your head will bend a little bit and your head will be shaking. Now, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the end of step 1. Step 2. You stand straight. Your legs is going to go up, down in a spot 4 times. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, your head and your shoulder will come together when you do the first leg, which is your right leg. You do it 1. Now let's do it again. 1, 1, 1. So after you have done this one, where your leg and your head with your shoulder comes together, the other leg, when you do it, your hand, your shoulder and your head will separate and go to its position. The same thing we did in 1 and 2 is still the same thing we're going to do in 3 and 4. Now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're done with the step 2. Now step 3. You stand straight. Your body will move to the left hand side, while your left hand will move to the front and your right hand will move to the back, and you rest on your lap. So after that, your leg, your right leg, when you move your right leg, your head that is here will come here and it will be shaking. So now let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. Now the second leg. After you have done that, when the second leg comes together, it will move like this. Your head will come here, back. Now let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Now the step you did in the 1 and 2 is different in the 3 and 4. Now let's focus on 3 and 4. This is the way we stand. So your right leg, the way you move it, your head will shake in the front. Your left leg too, the way you move it, your head will shake. Now let's do everything together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the end of step 3. Step 4. We're going to start step 4 where we stopped in step 3. So now your right leg will move with your hands. So it will move like this, 1, while your left leg will move with it and land. So we're going to do it 2 times. So now let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. The same way we did 1 and 2 is still the same way we do 3 and 4. We are just going to change our positions. So we'll be at the right hand side. So you move 1 and 2. So now let's do it again. Let's do everything together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2. Then 1 and 2. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2. Then you go 1 and now let's do it one more time. 1, 2 and 3, 4. And that is the end of step 4. Step 5. We start from where we stopped in step 4. So first, you jump on your left leg. While your left leg comes down, your right leg comes up. So you put your right leg down while your chest comes up and your head comes up. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Let's do it one more time again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Let's do this last more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. After we're done with the 1 and 2, now the 3 and 4. The same thing you did in the 1, that's the same thing you're still going to do here. So you jump on your left leg while your right leg comes up and your head with your chest comes down. So now let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's do it for the last time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now so now let's do the dance from step 1 to step 5 as we play the beat. Watch. So that is the end of today's Michael Jackson Thriller dance. As we meet next time, stay tuned.